Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Toyota Tundra SR5 TRD Off-Road. Comes equipped with the 5.7 liter V8 engine as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats, as well as double cab spray and bed liner, trailer hitch guidance, trailer tow package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these big doors here with lots of extra storage and cup holders here on the bottom. Speakers are going to be on the bottom there. It's going to have that plastic, leather, and chrome finish with the power locks and the power mirrors and the power windows as well. Here we're going to have the power adjustable heated seat. Well, so the mirror adjustment is going to be on your left side, as well as your cargo door lamps and your rear window control as well. Here on the left side, we're going to have our voice recognition and our volume control. And on the right side, we're going to have our cruise control, and as well as our detection and lane keep assist. Cruise control is just going to be set right behind the steering wheel. You're going to have the classic Toyota speedometers. You can check your fuel economy, trip economy, and as well as other tire pressure and other system as well. Here on the center dash, of course, we're going to have our climate control and as well as our Bluetooth connectivity, other apps such as messages and eco mode and navigation as well. Here in the bottom, we're going to have our heated seats left and right. Of course, it's going to have a USB port, an auxiliary port, and two 12-volt DC ports. A little extra cup holder, a little extra storage here as well. And obviously a huge center console with a 12-volt DC port inside. Passenger side's getting that same finish, except it's going to be manually adjustable. Have that same finish on the passenger side, as well as your vents up there. And of course, up top, we're going to have our reading lamps, sunglass case holder as well. That's about it. We're going to have these black 18-inch steel wheels as well, running on Michelin all-terrain tires with the black mirror cap, black plastic door handle, and then the paint match door handles in the back as well. It's going to have this brand new spray and bed liner here as well. It's going to have that chrome bumper, your tow hitch, and that fifth wheel in the back, or under, sorry. Here we're going to have the easy lift gate, so you can just drop it and let it go. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear, we're not going to have storage compartment on the bottom. Unfortunately, it is the double cab, but we're going to have the power window and two-tone on the door. Here we hop in. We're just only going to have storage on the passenger side. We're going to have a little extra cup holder right there, a little 12-volt DC port as well. We're going to have handles on the sides and as well as lamp up top. And of course, we're going to have a rear sliding window in the back. All right, thank you so much for tuning in today here as we had this quick review on this 2019 Toyota Tundra SR5 TRD Pro. Comes equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 engine as well as Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, as well as heated seat, locking rear differential, as well as trailer hitch guidance, trailer tow package, and your fifth wheel. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe and hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.